This is the ZTE Nubia V60. It has a great camera module, but the screen is completely black and won't turn on. It's likely a mainboard issue. Let's take it apart and see if we can fix it. To get started on this repair, you're gonna need these specific tools. Grab a screwdriver, a suction cup, and some pry tools. Follow along as we open this up. Let's start the teardown. Remove these tiny screws. Remove these tiny screws. Carefully lift the board to inspect the connections. Use a fine soldering tip to fix the connector. Now let's replace the camera module. First, gently disconnect the old flex cable. Now, align the new module and press gently to lock it in place. And there we go, it is back to life and working perfectly.